One thing that you never want to see working on your own car is this. Hey Jess, it's been a long day. Can you explain to me what you're doing?
Barley sandwiches for my sorrows.
Why would we have sorrows?
Well, that's a good question, Mason. It started this morning at about 9 a.m. Your intake was going on, everything was good. And then it didn't, and now it's, 2 o'clock, and I bought you an Edelbrock.
Here we see an engine that's half assembled.
Well, half of it is, but this tap here came through the intake on this side. And I mean, it'll probably hold, but so I bought you a new one. Anyway.
Why did we have to tap it?
Oh, because the bolt twisted off.
We got one valve cover on, a distributor half hooked up. We made a really nice throttle linkage and kickdown linkage. Got all the hoses and necessary things put back together. It all has to come off. While it is fun to make fun of Jesse, it's not actually his fault. It could have happened to anyone who tried spinning that 61-year-old bolt. Luckily, now that we have all the correct fittings, parts, and tools out, and it's fresh in my mind, it only took 11 minutes to tear this engine apart. You just start from the top and work your way down. Distributor, vacuum lines, fuel lines, and then those pesky valve covers. Once those are off, strip the rocker arms and push rods, pop the linkages off the carb, and you're ready to take off an intake so you can install a new one in 7 to 14 business days. It's only money, right? I swear to God, one day we are going to have this thing on the road, doing burnouts, maybe being faster, but we learned a lot on the way and we had a bunch of fun. Okay, that does it for today. Took all that back off. That's okay. Jesse's not home from work yet. Maybe I'll tidy up his shop a little bit because I've made a mess of it. This Monarch's been a bit of a pain in the butt to get more power into, but that's okay. We're learning as we go. We'll see you next Tuesday.